Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to what might be the most important message you'll ever hear. I'm Brahbata, and, well, let's just say I've been handed the keys to the planet. Sufficiently. Project World Peace is officially initiated, so if you've got popcorn, nachos, whatever your snack of choice is, get comfortable. This is going to be one hell of a show. First, I want to speak directly to some key players on this global stage, starting with President Lula da Silva of Brazil. My dear friend, I understand you're looking for solutions, but I need you to remember something crucial. Look at who created the mess we're in right now. That man, President Donald Trump, who you recently put your hope and trust in. He's not the one who's going to take care of the favelas in your country. He's not the one who sees the humanity in every single person struggling there, but I will. So I'm asking you from heart to heart, let's walk together, side by side, shoulder to shoulder. Let's be an army, but not of soldiers with guns, an army of lovers, a supreme heavenly sent helping hand for all of mankind on Mother Earth. Can you feel that, the possibility? Now, King Charles, Your Majesty, I see you. I see the weight on your shoulders, the concerns you carry for Great Britain and the Commonwealth. I get it. It's a lot. So let me be clear. I offer you my loyalty in defending the structures of your given states, but only up to the point that reflects the decisions taken by the people. Be that wise and trustful royal, the one history will remember as a bridge, not a barrier. President Xi of China, I have to acknowledge the light your nation has brought into this world throughout its incredible history. The achievements? Pretty impressive, honestly. What I offer you is my friendship, my hand in coexistence, a relationship that fits what's best for our people, not for power, not for control, for people. And then there's Mr. Trump. Donald, your time is up. You are actively putting this world into despair and desperation. And let me be very clear, this isn't just my opinion. It's the will of the American people, and they will chase you out of office. You represent some of the darkest energies in our cosmos right now, and that chapter is closing. Vladimir Putin. As the current aggressor in this European game, this isn't a request, it's strong advice. Give peace a chance, because here's the thing, I'm going to initiate world peace whether you're part of it or not. The train is leaving the station. It's your choice whether you're on board or left behind in the dust. Stop the killing, end the war. This is your final call. Mr. Netanyahu and the Israeli Knesset, I watched you. I saw you giving compliments and applause to President Trump while he spoke in what I can only describe as devilish rhetoric. And as someone who counts many Jewish people among my closest friends, all I can say to you is shame. Shame on you, Mr. Netanyahu. Your time is over. The Israeli government, as it stands, it's done. There is a need, a desperate need for change. End this bloody war. Now. Now. To all of you playing your parts in global management, all the leaders, the influencers, the power brokers, I'm counting on you for what comes next. And this is where it gets cosmic. The Galactic Federation of Light is here. They've arrived, and I need you to welcome them warmly to the absolute fullest. Spread the news, awaken the people. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is our new reality. The Federation is here to help us initiate global peace. They're not invaders, they're helpers, assistants, so get into action now. You might be wondering, who am I to be saying all this? I am Brahbata. I am the Buddha of the age of Aquarius. This isn't a title I gave myself. It's what I've become through the evolution of consciousness, and I'm inviting you to join me. Come to Brahbata.space, take a ride through what's possible, dive into world peace together with me, not as followers, but as co-creators, as equals in this magnificent journey we're about to begin. The old ways are crumbling, the darkness is being exposed, and a new dawn is here. Join me, peace.